here are the ingredients we need here. Dry corn, oil, a pot, and a lid. So here, first we're gonna add oil. Then we put like how much oil you need is like this. And then you put it here. Then you turn on the fire. But remember, don't put it so high, just put it small fire. Then you put some of the dry corn in here. You can put how much you want. And then take a lid, put it up on the pot, and then you wait about 30 seconds to 1 minute. Then you'll hear the dry corn popping out. That means it's becoming popcorn. So now we're waiting. Later, if you hear it hitting the lid, that means it's turning into popcorn. So now we're waiting. Guys, I think it's gonna come out now. This way. We'll see. Ooh, I think it's almost. Well, I'm sure. Later, we're gonna take some salt and honey. You can put honey in the popcorn and then it'll taste sweet. Or if you want it to taste salty, then you can add a little bit of salt. Hey, did you hear that? That means the popcorn is coming out. Wow. Cool, right? Oh! And then we turn off the fire. But there's no more. You open, it will look like this. Then you can take a big bowl. You take a big bowl. You take the popcorn and then put it inside. So now I just got a big bowl. And then we take the popcorn. Put it inside. You can put salt inside or honey. Depends on what you want. If you want it sweet, then you can put honey. But I don't want it to be sweet. So I'm gonna put salt, maybe. Well, I'll make one that's sweet and not sweet. So I'm gonna take another bowl and I'm gonna show you how to do it. Guys, I'm back. I just got another bowl. So now I'm gonna put them into half first before we start. Take some of it. See? Take some of it. And then take 2 scoops like this, and then that's enough. Now we're gonna add the honey. Then this one is done. You can flip it like this. Just flip the honey. Because some of the popcorns didn't get some honey, so you need to mix them up. Okay, now this one is done. We're gonna add salt to this. Okay, and guys, remember, don't add too much salt because salt is not good. And like this. And then you mix. And then these are the recipes that I wanted to teach you guys today. Well, now I'm gonna try the salt. Okay, I'm gonna taste it. Wow, actually it's salty enough. Oh, now the sweet will pop. Both of them are good. This is sweet enough too. Well guys, this is the end of this video, so you guys can subscribe our channel. I mean my channel. Give us a thumbs up because I can make more videos. So if you guys do that, that would be good. So see you next time. Bye!